Aloha, welcome to Tiki Pizza. This is the channel where I combine my love of tiki culture and pizza. Today we're going to try the hot air fryer option in my oven, and we're going to make a pizza. Spoiler alert, it turned out excellent. We're going to do a provolone sort of an olive salad and pickled jalapeno with Italian sausage on a pizza. And again, we're going to try the air fryer option in the oven, and it turned out excellent, so check it out. All right, Mookie, today we're going to make some Italian sausage, provolone, and muffalata olive tapenade with jalapeno pizza. But the kicker is we're going to do it in the air fryer. I'm going to use raw Italian sausage, and we're going to have the sausage on the top, so the air fryer should thoroughly cook it and crisp it up, but we will have to see. All right, here we go. All right, I already rolled up my pizza dough. I'll put the pizza dough recipe in the description. Today we're going to do a sauceless pizza, so I'm going to put the provolone on first. Got some nice Italian provolone. This provolone is not smoked, but you could use smoked provolone as well. And we're going to go with the slices. It's just going to cover everything nicely with the slices of provolone. All right. Next up, I got my it's like a jardiniere, but it's for muffaladas. It's got a lot of olives in it, so it's almost like an olive tapenade. So we'll just do some dollops. The olives are very salty, so you don't want to overdo it. You just want to use this sort of as a condiment or seasoning, and it's okay to get a little bit of oil on there as well. All right, next up we're just gonna add to the pickled element of it, and I got some nice pickled jalapeno slices. And not too many, mostly just for decoration and add a little heat and pickle flavor. All right. And now the Italian sausage. Because we're cooking it using the hot air fryer function in the oven, I want the raw sausage on top so I can kind of monitor that it's all the way cooked through and hopefully a little bit crispy. So we're just gonna take little pinches, and we want to keep it quite small so that it does cook. I don't want like a big honking raw piece on there. And we're just going to finish off with a little Pecorino Romano, but this is raw pork, so I'm going to wash my hands first. I'll be right back. I just got to give my hands a quick rinse. Okay, and again, this is Pecorino Romano, but we kind of want to monitor the sausage. And I'm just going to give it a little bit of extra virgin olive oil spray to just for the sausage, to help the sausage crisp up. All right, so you can see I got the hot air fryer function on the oven. A lot of the newer ovens have this with all the hot air fryer craze. So again, this is going to do two things. It's going to crisp up the pizza crust, and most importantly, it's going to cook that raw sausage all the way through. Okay, and I'm thinking it's going to be at least a good 10 minutes. I like my pizza well done, and again, we need that sausage cooked. Thanks for watching another episode of Tiki Pizza. This is the channel where Mookie and I combine our love of tiki culture and pizza. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says, nobody moves, nobody gets hurt. That just means if you get off your hammock, she's going to bite you in the ankle. See you next time on Tiki Pizza.